Okay, we've got our printer together. Now we want to do some quick alignment. First thing we do is we want to check to see that this axis is parallel with our build plate. So we'll put our tape up here, look at it. Okay, I've got the measurement there. Go to this side. It's real close, within about a millimeter or two. And that's okay because these adjustments will level that bed. We just want to make sure that this arm is in the right place. If not, then we may have had to adjust our bottom screws or some of these set screws a little bit more. Another thing we're going to check is we're going to manually pull this forward, and just with one eye make sure that the edge of this horizontal track lines up with the edge of the build plate. And right now it's real close. So it looks really good. If not, we could loosen our screws a little bit more and actually twist this arm a little bit to force it to be more in line. I'm going to at this point make sure that these are tightened down good, because we are pretty well aligned. And I'll also check and make sure that our other set screws are good and tight. These are the 6 set screws in the assembly video that actually anchored the horizontal and vertical channels in place. Now everything looks like we're aligned good. The next step will be going to leveling the bed, which will be in another video. But we've unpacked the KINGROON printer. We assembled it very quickly, just a matter of minutes to assemble it, and then a few more minutes to do some of the adjustments. One other thing you want to check is to see if you have some movement here. And I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a little bit of noise there. So in a case like that, you take the wrench with the large end and you'll tighten this roller just a little bit at a time. We're going clockwise with this nut, and we'll keep going clockwise until we no longer have that little bit of movement right there. It's no longer moving or making noise, so that's in a good position. I'll go ahead and check my vertical alignment again. Everything still looks good. So the printer's set up and ready to go. We just have to level the bed, and you'll see that in the next video. Thank you for watching.